What's up, members? Let's break down the YouTube portfolio. It's starting to really grow. In this video, we're going to break down each individual stock, and I'm going to show you one other stock that I've been buying in Robinhood, so definitely stay tuned to the end of the video. Let's recap this real quick. We got 108,000 right now total. We were up 14%. This is a total of 13,746. United Healthcare, we've been starting to build a position. We got $750, only 0.71%. My plan is to get this to 2 to 3% allocation. I'm going to hold this long term, collect that dividend. Tesla's up pretty nicely at $322 per share at the time of this recording. It's up almost 50%. We're up 2,300. Starbucks, 3%, just collecting that divvy in the meantime. Nike down 14.77%. That's our biggest loser right now. Cost base is $69. Doesn't change my thesis. We're going to continue to hold them. Microsoft, we only have 10 shares, and this just shows you sometimes just having only 10 shares, I'm up already $1,200. So it's a nice little gain right there. We're up almost over 100 points on these guys, 120, 130 points. Sometimes even with small amounts of money, you can make good gains. Home Depot, we're down 6%. We're going to continue dollar cost averaging into them. Google, we're up $1,000 right now. I'm sure that'll change. Google seems to go up and down pretty frequently. We're up 8%. We have a large percentage of them, $12,000 invested. Google's my top stock that I'm going to maintain at least at a 10% allocation. FSPGX is the heart of the portfolio, which is around 53,000 plus 3,200, around almost 57,000 invested. We do $750 every single Monday. And then Alibaba, we have $1,100 invested. We want to increase this a little bit up to like 2%. But let me go show you the new stock that I just added in the Robinhood account for now. Checking out Visa stock. I've been adding Visa. Let's just scroll down real quick so you can see this. Average cost around $345.70. We have 3.89 shares. That's a total of $1,327 market value right now. We are down 1.36% on this. That's okay with me right now at the time of this recording. In the last month, you can see that Visa used to be at $374. To me, this is an A-plus stock. I'm going to continue dollar cost averaging in. 374 down 10% to 340. That's what I'm looking for. I'm trying to get value here. I'm going to continue buying Visa right now. It does give a dividend of 0.67%. The PE ratio is a little bit high at 34, but that's what you get when you buy A-plus companies. I'm okay continuing to dollar cost average. You can see the 52-week high was 375, and the 52-week low is 252. So I'm going to continue dollar cost averaging. We're going to make this into a big position. It's just going to take some time every single week, at least throwing $50 to $100 into it. Let's let it keep growing. Visa stock has been on my watch list for a while. I mean, you look at it on the 5-year chart, you can tell I am buying at highs, but we are starting to get a pullback. Looking at that 5-year chart, we've been going from $70 all the way up over throughout the years, last 6-7 years, all the way up to 376 is our high. It's pulled back to 340. It's trading near the top of this channel. What I really want, I'd love to buy more shares around 300 to 310. I've had some, every time I try to wait on buying Visa, it just continuously goes up. So I'm going to start buying high. I think it's a quality company. I'm interested in buying it. Another stock I just wanted to mention, Tesla real quick. I've been watching Tesla, and Tesla's trading within this at the time of this recording, around 310 to about 330. It's got to get out of this channel to start making a move. If it does break down, I'll start buying more shares around 287 for the YouTube portfolio. United Healthcare has been forming this bear flag, which is continuing. I want to see if it breaks down to 300, then we'll continue to add more shares to this as well, for it is trading within this channel, 300 all the way up to 312. And then you have 298 down to about 288. That's what I'm looking for that. That's the recap, guys. Just wanted to give you what I'm looking, what I'm holding, and the stocks that I want to continue adding on. That is going to be Google, that's going to be Tesla, that's going to be United Healthcare, and the new baby in Robinhood account, which is Visa. So definitely stay tuned. Leave a comment in the section below if you find some value, and I appreciate you guys tuning in.